What's going on, guys? I'm Suburban Angling and I'm back out here doing some more fishing for you guys. I want to keep this intro nice, short, sweet, and simple. In this video, I was out there on the river with my buddy Eli. We're in my John boat. We're doing something that you guys know I love a lot, catching some smallmouth bass. You can see in this video the true beauty of fall when you're on the river. You know, you got the leaves changing color, all the reds, the yellow, oranges. We're still, I'm not gonna say we're early into fall, but not every tree has changed color, so you also get a little bit of the greens in there too. So it's just like a really pretty transition period. Water temps in this video were under 50 degrees. This was about a week back when we had a good cold front come through. So it's gonna be some very interesting fishing. Really hope you guys enjoy, because I know I enjoyed filming. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Let's get right into it. God damn, G. That's a nice smallie. Okay. Okay.
That's not a big hook. I'm pretty confident there.
That's a good fish, dude. The bridge showing off.
It's like an aurora.
Ooh, that's a nice one. Oh, she. Yeah, you got him. That's a freaking 40, what is it? 44 degree water temp smallie right there. Look at that, folks.
18 inches, 17 and a half.
Mm-hmm. It's a nice fish.
Good fish to start out the day.
Yes, sir. God bless.
That's walleye.
Nice walleye in the current. Oh yeah, that's a big walleye. Oh yeah, that's a big walleye. Eli. That's a big walleye.
A big hook too.
Eli G. Eli G. When I tell you that the spot be busting. That's like a channel that.
No, it's not. No way. He hit it so hard.
Just the way that it's doing that dumb walleye.
Yeah, it's not a channel.
Smallie?
Smallie.
I was just about to cast a jerkbait up into this current too. They like that darker color they were using. I like what we got going on. My bad, I didn't mean to cast over you like that.
Look at that.
We came to the right place, G.
Oh. Oh.
He's fighting like it's like he's a cold river smallmouth. Those like just Oh yeah.
Oh. Ricky. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that one's like a quarter, like
another same size one, pretty much. Right.
That one low key looks about a quarter pound bigger. I was about to say, dude, that's another good one, dude. That's how we came out here. That's why we came out here. Let them know. Let them know.
Yeah, look at him cold. He's all curled up. That water is cold.
It is, man.
I can barely leave my hands in there.
They're biting though. They are biting. Oh, that's a walleye. That is a walleye. Dude, nice. That's a keeper too. Shit. Shane. Yeah, dude. Hell yeah. Yeah, you're good. Yo. Hey. That's one. That's one. Man, they're cold. There's a little menace. That's a menace. Catfish. Smallmouth, big one. That's a 3-pounder.
Buddy. Like carp. Getting like a carp.
Dude, look at him. Oh my god.
Oh, that might be my PB out of the box for sure.
Oh, I got my scale. Here, he's hold on 1 second. We gotta show him off for the people, G. Look at him. He was just chilling in this flat over here. Relaxing. We like that, G. It was just so unexpected. I'm just like, okay. Let him know. I bet he goes between 2.6 and 3.1. I can't tell. I'm a little rusty, G. Oh, she! That's a chunk, dude. Yeah, that motherfucker chungus. Oh, on. What? Bro. And I didn't even snag him. He literally, I jerked it, paused it, let the bait sit there, and he just went dunk, like you just clapped it. Ugh, I'm scared of him, G.
He's got it in his eye.
We got a catfish on the jerk bait. I had a little, you got him? Big one. Oh my god, folks, we're doubled up. It's a 4-pounder. Dude, I'm telling you, that's your PB, bro. If he's fighting like that, yeah, that's a 4-pounder. Oh, what? What? Hey, okay, like, Suburban doesn't know everything, guys, okay? Little woo woo.
About the same size. Yeah, man.
That's not a bad one.
Double. Oh, not double.
In the eddy. In the eddy. He choked it. In the eddy, he choked that thing. He wanted it. It feels good to hold a smallie and actually bust on a sack.
Bust on the sack, dude.
Bust on a sack. I don't know. That's like the about 10th fish of the day. Come on, why's it gotta be like that? Got him? Hey. He's doing his thing, G. Look at him. Look at him. On a sack.
Had to get me a slim swim.
On a fall smallmouth slim swim sack. Oh, he's dark. Dude, he's two-tone. Oh my god. Dude, he's two-tone. Dude, that's sick. That was sick, dude. Alright, folks, that's gonna do it for me and my boy back there. We busted on a sack. That was the goal. Mission accomplished. Was it a quantity sack? Not really. Was it a quality sack? I can say that. We got a fish over 3 pounds. Got a couple fish close to 3 pounds. Got a walleye. Got a couple other nice small. You know, it was a sack. It was, you know, respectable. Not the best, but I'll take it. So, I mean, especially now, you know. This is my first time fishing in over 2 weeks. First time literally probably setting the hook in over 3, damn near. Because the times I was going fishing before those 2 weeks, I wasn't catching shit, so. But I don't know, it felt good to get out here. Honestly, a beautiful day, 60 degrees, sun was up, so feeling blessed to have been able to enjoy this day. That's all I got for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.